Welcome, my name is Henry Sullivan. This is Building Momentum at The Garden, and get ready for a deep dive in the TAZ 6. So as I said, today we're going to be talking about the Lulzbot TAZ 6. Now this is a 3D printer that many of you might be able to get your hands on. It has a market price of about $2,500, but it is worth it. It is an absolutely fantastic printer. A few of the pros and cons: this is an absolute workhorse. It's got a huge print bed, even big enough to print this full face mask in one print. Is outstanding and pretty good quality, if I say so myself. Another pros, you've got a heated bed, very tactile printing bed surface, the self-leveling tech as well, and you can also cleans its tip by itself. However, there are a few cons. As with like any printer, the price for one is pretty expensive, $2,500, and you've got a couple of add-ons as well, like the dual head extruder and other things that are not included and will have to be added purchases. But this printer is 3D printed in a sense. Some of the housing components, things like that, are all 3D printed. So you can, I suggest once you get it up, once you get it assembled, once you get it going and tuned and calibrated, print some of those pieces off, just in case your printer goes down, one of those breaks in transport, or God forbid something of that disastrous scale happens. You have extras, which is great. Another few things of the cons, I guess, it can be quite noisy. As terms of 3D printers, I quite like the noise. I think it makes the space, fill up. It's not stagnant anymore. I'm not a huge advocate against noise. It's just, as 3D printers go, it can be pretty noisy. All right, folks. Now that is the Lulzbot TAZ 6. Overall, overwhelmingly positive. We've used this and similar printers out in training situations all around the world, and to be quite honest, nothing quite performs like the TAZ 6. If it was up to us, there'd be one of these on every single base in the US, overseas, every single machine shop, fab lab, you name it, just to have their hands on a fantastic machine that is hugely capable. But that's it from us here at Building Momentum. That is the TAZ 6, one of the machines that we're very happy here, and we are looking forward to the release of the TAZ 7 later on this year. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe, and look forward for more 3D printing videos in the future. Thank you. Oh, actually, my bad, we're a bit amateur here. If you have any 3D printing questions or concerns, send us a shout on Twitter. We'll be more than happy to reach out and let you know if our expertise can help out in any way, shape or form. Fingers crossed.